Hi everyone, welcome to a new studio vlog. I hope you're doing fine. I apologize in advance if this vlog will be a little bit all over the place, but my brain is slowly melting away because it's boiling hot and I really don't cope very well with heat. I'm more of an autumn girl, so it's probably not the best day to start a vlog, but a lot has happened over the past few weeks and I really wanted to share that with you. So where should I start? I mentioned in an earlier vlog that Lucas and I wanted to move this summer and it's finally happening. So I basically spent the last 2 weeks looking for a new apartment with Lucas and painting like a maniac because I wanted to get the new collection done before the move, and so far it's looking pretty good, luckily. We found a new place, which I'm very happy about, but this also means it will probably be the last vlog in this little space here. Which is a little bit sad, but I'm also already looking forward to the new space because I think sometimes a change of scenery can be quite nice, and this will also be the last move, hopefully, for the next few years. So that's also something which is quite nice to know. I hope you're also looking forward for some vlogs in a new space. So yeah, I've basically been painting a lot the last few weeks while rewatching all of the Twilight movies. Seriously, when I started the series again, I already watched them when I was around 16, 17, and my girlfriends and I back then really loved the movies. And when I started to watch it again for the first movie, I was like, why did I like this? But what should I say, I continued to watch them, and by the end of the fourth movie I was like, can't get enough of it. Anyway, I always like to rewatch a old movie series or series in general when I work on a new collection, and so I did this time. I filmed a few clips over the last 2 weeks of the illustrations I did, and I will probably insert them after this little talk here. Also, Lucas and I will stop by the new apartment today to take the measurements, and maybe I will take you along with me to show you some sneaky peeks of the new space. But we will see. First of all, I have to get the work done. I want to scan and edit all of the illustrations I did lately, and I thought I might also show you this because maybe it's interesting for some of you to see how I edit my illustrations. So yeah, let's get on with the work. Quickly wanted to explain why I'm going to draw this again, and the reason for that is that I started with this color combo, which I really like, but it just didn't feel so appropriate for me for the Christmas theme, even though I'm definitely not a person who needs all the traditional colors for Christmas like green and red, but I don't know, I just wasn't happy with it, so I carried on with these colors, which is a color combination I already used in some older drawings and which I really like, especially the apricot together with the dark red. But while coloring in these, I got this color vision of some more muted tones, and I really wanted to try it out on the drawing to see how it looks, and yeah, that's about it. Let's do this. You will have probably already seen some process shots of the following illustrations, but I thought a quick little flick through might be nice, just to give you a better overview of the work I did lately. So all of these illustrations will be turned into greeting cards and postcards. A lot of them are actually Christmas motifs, and I feel a little bit bad showing you this in the middle of summer, but I guess that's just what an illustrator life looks like sometime. Christmas in August and Easter in December. Oh, and this is actually the revised version of this year. Way better. Also, I will still have to edit the colors slightly in Photoshop. I want to make them a little bit more bright and vibrant, but that's just the final touches. Also this, I took a huge step out of my comfort zone. I did some little color tests down here, which I always do when I pair colors, and my comfort zone pushed me into this direction. But what should I say? I felt a little bit bold this day and went into this direction. And now I have to edit the colors in Photoshop as well. Not that I don't like them at all, but they are just a little bit too vibrant for my taste and just not exactly my personal style, so I want to slightly adjust them. I actually also want to add some writing on this. It will say happiest birthday wishes. Maybe I can show you the sketch here to make it a little bit more clear for you. This is how it hopefully will look like somehow. And here are some of my black and white drawings. Some more Christmas motifs. And this little monochrome flower arrangement, which I'm really happy with. This and this one will actually be also turned into postcards, which will double as mini prints. Also, I have a new little cutting in my office. This little rubber plant tree, which was standing on the windowsill in my bathroom, and the window from my bathroom is facing the south side of the house, so it gets pretty hot there these days, and some of the lower leaves didn't cope so well with the heat. It were like 6 leaves, the stem was even longer like this, so I decided to just cut them off and cut the stem here and place it into water and hope for the best. Hopefully he will survive. I will end the vlog here now. I'm sorry that there are not many vlogs coming lately, but that will definitely change after the move and in the fall winter time. Promise. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope to see you again very soon in a new vlog and the new studio. Bye!